Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java programs for interviews, let us go with one more new program today. That is biggest of given three numbers using if statement. If you take three numbers like n1, n2 and n3, out of these three numbers, we want to know which is big. Then the logic for this, we have to just to do the comparison. Like we have to check if n1 is greater than n2 and even n1 greater than n3, then we say n1 is big. Then when can we say n2 is big? If n2 greater than n1 and if n2 greater than n3, we say n2 is big. If these two are not big, if this n1 and n2 are not big, then directly we can say n3 is big. Let us write this code in Eclipse. So we have created a project, Java programs project in the previous videos. Right click on this project and say new class. I'm going with the class name big3. Main method inside. The purpose of this program is to find biggest of given three numbers using if statement. Using if statement. In order to accept the numbers from user, we have to create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Scanner class is used to read input from keyboard. Now, so in order to import this scanner class, scanner is a class present in java.util package. In order to import this class or in order to import java.util package, the keyboard shortcut is Control Shift O. Control Shift O is used to import the Java packages. Shortcut to import packages. What is the shortcut? Control Shift O on our keyboard. Once we import this scanner class java.util package, now let us go with the message. Enter three numbers. We'll take the numbers like int number 1 equal to s dot next int, num2 equal to s dot next int, num3 equal to s dot next int. So we have accepted totally three numbers from user. Now we have to start comparing these numbers like this. If num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, if your number 1 is greater than number 2 and num1 greater than num3. So this is one condition and this is one more condition. To join the conditions, we use this logical AND. When we go with the logical AND, if all conditions are true, then only the enter condition will be true. So in this example, if num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, then we say big as number 1. So go with the message big equal to the value of num1. Else means what? If this condition is false, then only we come to this else. So coming to else indicates number 1 is not big. Then we have to just compare with number 2 with number 3. Number 2 greater than number 3. We may not compare number 2 with number 3. Sorry, number 1. Because if you are coming to else means number 1 is not big. If number 1 is not big, then only we come to else. Then you need not compare number 2 with number 1. Even if you compare, it's not mistake. Just compare number 2 with number 3. If number 2 is greater than number 3, then we'll go with the message big equal to the value of number 2. Else means even number 2 is also not big. Number 1 is not big, number 2 is also not big. Then it comes to else. Directly without comparing, we can say big equal to the value of number 3. Let us run this program. Right click and say run as Java application. So it's asking for three numbers. Go with any three numbers. It's going to pull out the biggest value. If you run the code, let us make first one as big. It's going to pull out the first one. If you run the code, it's going to take the second one as big value. So that's about in this program, and it's now your role to convert this program in the form of methods. Create a method which is going, and if you pass 3 arguments to that method, it should return the biggest value from that method. Biggest of those 3 arguments. Try to write this code using methods. That's your task. So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you all.